Have you ever wondered about the sudden, forceful burst of air through your nose and mouth? Join us on the Vibrant Life Voyage channel as we explore the intriguing world of sneezing. In this video, we'll uncover the causes, home care tips, and when it's time to seek medical attention. Causes of sneezing. Sneezing is often triggered by irritation to the mucous membranes of the nose or throat. While it can be bothersome, it's rarely a sign of a serious problem. Common causes include allergies to pollen, mold, dander, and dust, as well as exposure to certain medications, withdrawal from drugs, and environmental factors like dust, air pollution, and dry air. Home care tips. Managing sneezing caused by allergies involves minimizing exposure to allergens. Practical tips include changing furnace filters, removing pets from the home to eliminate animal dander, using air filters to reduce pollen, and washing linens in hot water to kill dust mites. Sometimes, in the case of mold spore problems, relocating from the affected home may be necessary. When to seek medical attention. If sneezing persists and home remedies prove ineffective, it's crucial to contact your healthcare provider. During the office visit, a physical examination will be conducted, focusing on the nose and throat. Your medical history and symptoms will be discussed, with potential allergy testing to identify the root cause. Your provider will then offer tailored treatments and suggest lifestyle changes to address hay fever symptoms. Educational insights. Gain valuable insights into sneezing, including its onset, accompanying symptoms, and the role of allergies. Our video goes beyond the basics, providing a comprehensive understanding of this natural bodily response. Conclusion. Unlock the secrets of sneezing and empower yourself with knowledge on managing this common phenomenon. Subscribe to the Vibrant Life Voyage channel for more educational content on health, wellness, and leading a vibrant life. Remember, a sneeze is not just a reflex, it's your body's way of communicating with you. Join us on the Vibrant Life Voyage channel and embark on a journey to a healthier, happier you.